purple dude who keeps immediately giving me everything I want. Soda, Aussie card gun. Okay, not doing that one again. That was a little stupid. Get out! Alright, that's it. Good job, Abdul. Okay, so your funky purple dude is what is known as a standard. They are the physical manifestations of the fighting spirit. Not doing that one again. That was a little stupid. Get out! Alright, that's it. Good job, Abdul. Okay, so your funky purple dude is what is known as a standard. They are the physical manifestations of the fighting spirit and all that will.
Iya bak.
Something is not right. Something is right. Get out! No. Get out! If I get out, I will kill you with this funky dude who keeps immediately giving me everything I want. Soda, Aussie card gun. Okay, not doing that one again. That was a little stupid. Get out! Alright, that's it. Good job, Abdul. Okay, so your funky purple dude is what is known as a standard. They are the physical manifestations of the fighting spirit and all that weirdly specific special and/or situational abilities. So, only stand users can see other stands, except for when they don't. Only stands can harm other stands, except for when they don't. All damage done to a stand will reflect the user, except for when they don't. You need to pay attention to remember these new rules, because nothing will make sense from now on otherwise. I'm an Abdul's magician's ring. Shoots fire. My stand is hermit thermal. My ability activates when I punch a camera. How did you figure that one out? Trial and error. Just us, hermit purple. Punch a camera, see a naked man. Yeah, he is. It's Dio. He was about to take over the world, but then my grandfather Jonathan Jojo's body, and I can tell because our birthmark everybody in the Jojo lineage definitely always had, including me, you, my daughter Holly, and you, my grandson Jotaro. Wow, I somehow never noticed. It is your destiny to defeat Dio, and mine. It is both our destinies, not yours, to defeat Dio when he will be beaten. Oh my god, I don't care. I, Kakyoin, have been sent here by Dio to defeat. Oh great, is this what we're doing then? Ariaki Kakyoin's Hierophant Crane. I guess he possesses a body that one time, but he mostly just shoots rocks. Okay, so I guess since we're all doing tarot cards for stand names, I will accept myself as one who passes judgment on others. That's actually platinum it is then. Jojo Kujo's Star Platinum, Punchy Boy. Look, I know we got off on the wrong foot, but I was being possessed by this dear forehead squid. Would you mind if I became a main character? Whatever. Oh no, Holly's developing a stand, but it's killing her. Oh, coffee, the head rush that he swooned. Hey, Holly Kujo's, who cares? I can't possibly explain this without sounding sexist. Not that this will make any sense to the Great Academy, but we need to save her by getting rid of her stand, and we do that by killing Dio. Probably. I can feel it, it's in my blood or whatever. As the old adage goes, he cannot be beaten up unless I am standing next to him. Unless I am close to him. Okay, that reason. I think of something more clever. They found it! It's the fly! It's the fly! Let's go to Egypt! Yes! I have used my own camera punching ability and discovered they are in a plane going in my direction. Good thing I already put a saboteur in that plane, which I guess means I knew in advance they were going to go in that plane, meaning I didn't mean to punch this expensive camera. What a waste of money! I will now proceed to never use this ability again and have sex with at least 4 people. It's the fly! It's the fly! I hope it doesn't say massacre on the book. Oh! Grey Fly's Tower of Grey, not actually a fly. This was a huge waste of time. We almost killed like 17 people. It's all your fault. I'm never going on a plane again. Check this out! Jean-Pierre, owner of Silver Chariot. He has a sword. Also, he can take off his armor. It makes him, like, faster. Also, he can shoot a sword, but only once. Okay, now we got off on the wrong foot, but... Yeah, forehead squid. Got it. I anticipate we'll either have a team of 30 by the end of this trek, or we just so happen to coincidentally stop seeing forehead squids from this point forward. Hey, we'll follow you to Egypt to go find the man with 6 fingers. I mean the man with 2 right hands because he killed my father. I mean my younger sister. Hey, check this flashback out. I'm gonna convince you using his forehead squid to go beat up the Joestars in a year, I guess, because this flashback scene is from a year ago, which is a little... shows a vision of the 2 right-hand men. Look how charismatic I am. Oh, now proceeds to never use this ability again. Oh, look, it's Santa Claus. Fetch my tank top. I have a date. Plane didn't work, so now they're taking a boat. Oh, no. The boat didn't work. Jojo's in the water. Lost the captain to Nils Dark Blue Moon. He's in the water. Well, I can't believe you pointed at him so hard he exploded. Natural talent. Forever strength. Yes, the orangutan is the user. Yes, the orangutan has a name. Yes, the boat is the stand. Oh, my God, the boat is the stand. No thanks. How annoying. What an exhausting trek. Please exit my fridge. You No, I mean, he gets stabbed, right, and he gets angry, and the anger makes him possess the doll. Mirror on the wall. What do you mean you don't need to punch a camera to use your ability? Kakyoin's gonna kill you. Oh, Kakyoin, I'm gonna kill you. You're not Kakyoin. I can't believe you saw through my wrist. Goodness, I say. Brother solves yellow temperance. Look, I know ending last episode with the Kakyoin to train cliffhanger was a bit of a fib, but it was cool for a second, right? I've been attacked by the man with 2 right hands. I must go alone to fight for revenge. Or you could not. This is my battle to win. Time to get you. The enemy. Oh, horse was that gun. Oh, cheers. Whatever will I do? Oh. Abdul's dead. I will have my revenge. My foolproof strategy will involve revealing myself to you and yelling at people. Hey, Giles hangs man. Technically not a man in the mirror.
Get my good side.
The next thing you will say is Chumi Bean. Name is Empress Angu.
Road trip.
Duel 1971, Vroom Vroom. What? Wheel of Fortune. Duel 1971, Vroom Vroom. I'm Dawson again. Let's pit stop in the literal worst town ever.
Hello, welcome to the worst town ever. I'm not evil. Don't mind the zombies.
Nice lady, right? What a nice lady. I've returned.
No, you haven't.
Correct. Hello, nice lady. In Yava's justice, see where incorrect breathing gets you. Wow, I can't believe you breathed so hard she imploded. Natural talent. Interrogation begin. Well, I tried. And now you get up, punch me. My kidney. Joseph Joyster. Uh-oh. Fuck. Steely Dan's lovers.